guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Richa and a very Merry Christmas to every one of you out there. This video is gonna go before Christmas, so Merry Christmas in advance. And if you're watching this on or after Christmas, then Merry Christmas and belated Merry Christmas respectively. So this video is totally gonna be about creating this Christmassy look. As you can see, I hope you enjoy it. It's gonna be simple, subtle, and not that difficult, I promise. Extremely effortless, extremely Christmassy, extremely red, which is a Santa color. So I hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up and keep watching. So first things first, I'm going to be starting with some primer so that my makeup sticks to my face for the whole day. Next up, I'm going to be taking this eye primer and prime my eyes because I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow first so that there are no fallouts when I'm doing my foundation and the rest of my face. Now I'm going to start with a red eyeshadow for my crease. If you don't have a red eyeshadow, you can also use a blush or build it up with a lipstick. So a lot of blending is required for the crease. Moving on to the lid color. For the lid color, I'm going to take a white sparkle eyeshadow. Now if you don't have a white sparkle eyeshadow, you can also use your highlighter, which is a silver highlighter you can use, or even a gold will do, so that it matches and contrasts with the red and it gives a good snowfall eye look. Now I'm going to intensify the red a little bit more so that the depth is clear and it looks nice and seamless. This eye is done, and the next eye, like this. Looks so easy in the transition, but trust me, it's not. Taking some of my foundation, I'm just taking a tad bit, dipping my beauty blender and just going on with it, blending it all well into my face. I know it looks like I've hardly put any foundation, and that is actually true. I have not put a lot of foundation because I'm going to layer it up with some concealer. Concealing the usual places. Now guys, all the details about the products are given in the description bar below. Blending all of the concealer. Just by the way guys, I have used the daylight and not any artificial light, but eventually by the end I do switch to artificial light as the daylight hasn't been picking a lot of pigments and the makeup properly, so I'm really sorry for that. Moving on with setting powder, I'm gonna set everything in place so that I don't have any creases or my face doesn't get cakey throughout the day. Now I'm just cream contouring the usual places like my forehead and my jawline and the bridge of my nose and all of that. Taking my favorite kabuki brush and blending all of the harsh lines in like a pro and just going in with it. I just love cream contouring my face. It's my favorite part, I guess. I'm going ahead and setting all of that with my bronzer. Whoa, look at that chiseled face, you guys. Going on and making a winged eyeliner, hoping to make the same on both the eyes. So let's just hope for the best. And oops, did you see what happened? Now I'm gonna fix it. Thankfully it happened on camera. I'm gonna fix this. I'll show you how. You just don't need to touch that at all. While that is drying up, I'm gonna do my eyebrows fatafat. I'm still gonna let that spot dry. Gonna do the other eyebrow as well. By the time that dries, again I'm going to take a red shimmer and just go in the inner corners and below my wing liner, giving it a curved and a dimension and illusion of a longer eyeliner. So that's how it looks, and so pretty, oh my god. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, giving some more time for the spot to get dried. And now gonna go with my mascara after curling my lashes. that is done, gonna take this earbud and just touch that thing so that if it's wet the excess comes off, and just press on it and woohoo, it's gone like it was not there. Going on with my blush, what I've done is I've just dipped my beauty blender in my blush and I'm dabbing it so that it looks seamless. Going on with my favorite part of the video is highlighting. The highlight you couldn't see properly because of the light, which wasn't that great. I'm gonna take a dampened beauty blender and just blend all of the layers together so everything looks natural and seamless. And now let's go on to the second star of the show, my lipstick. I am going to make this a glossy kind of vibe. So this is the first lipstick that I'm going to be using. I'm gonna mix that up properly and give it a proper shape. Then taking the second lipstick to make it more red or orangish red, and again I'm going to go over with this lipstick by the end of this video, taking a gloss for the gloss effect so that it looks very Christmassy. Makeup is done, but outfit not so Christmassy. What should we do? Let's change up in 3, 2, 1, go!